What's up? Welcome back to another day. Over here today, we have a very special car. I'm not even going to dick around for too long. I'm just going to pan straight to it. We've got, I don't even know how much power this thing's supposed to be putting down. Apparently, according to the engineers and the owners over there, they're like, it's like around 1388 wheel horsepower. Let's just assume it's 1400. That means it's 1600 to the crank or something like that. It's a fully built engine, Billet, everything. I'm not even gonna, dude, they literally gave me a fucking laundry list of mods. Guys, you see this? Do you want me to like literally fucking say all this out loud? Like, rehm karo yaar. Koi scene hi nahi hai. Car. It's a very standard 94 model Supra. The lights you can tell from there. This thing's a beast apparently. The guys who built this car, apparently according to the engineer over there, he's like, 8 saal lage the? 8 years, right? 8 damn years. It's built by Dabster Motorsports, aka Shabab. This car has been on my radar for a long time. It never left Peshawar properly, na? Now you guys brought it. Thank you, bro. Let's just take you on the inside. Munsif, I need your fucking help here, bro. There's I don't know what's inside, bro. It smells like ethanol. You can literally get drunk off the fumes. Come through. Tell me everything, bro. Speedo. That's
AM speedo.
That's a Speedo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, in miles per hour.
Exhaust temperatures,
Yeah.
ETI screen controls everything.
Yeah.
Ethanol content.
Yeah.
Gauge. Nothing else.
AFR.
Anti-lag buttons.
There's an
AFRs.
this is the anti-lag button?
Yeah, you engage it from here.
And this is just like, and also has a triple plate clutch. Obviously, I can't feel the intensity of it from right now.
Yeah.
When it's on, literally, I can't hear the car. I can hear the clutch. अच्छा अंदर clutch की आवाज नहीं आती?
नहीं, अभी आता.
Now I hear it. बाहर ज़्यादा है.
Press it when you hear it.
Yeah, it's louder outside. Overall, anything else that I need to know of this car before you completely rip my face off with the speeds?
Nah, you don't need anything else. It's enough for you.
It's enough for me, bro. It's enough for me. This is a very red Supra, a very, very bright red against contrasted with the green. This is why we've chosen this location. I hope you guys have noticed this artistic choice made by the team. Come to the back, my favorite part of the Supra. I've talked about this before. It looks like it has a natural white body from the factory. Another thing that the owner told me is that this thing has a Mustang diff with TC. That was a really interesting thing that I learned. You know what? Just for shits and giggles, actually, you know what? Fuck it. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna put the laundry list of mods in the description so that you guys can see what exactly is up. This is how you know it's fucking putting down massive power. It's got massive ass slicks. All right, boys. Anti-lag button right there. You turn it on from here. Ethanol sensor right there. What's your personal favorite thing about the car? Personal favorite?
ECU.
Acha, AM? Give it all the beans whenever. ये मजे का था. Third gear pull ना? Guys, this car is absolutely fucking insane. The pulls, unreal, and that idle, man. That idle alone is enough to get you behind bars. Sheesh. All right, guys, time for us to open the hood and see what's up. Huge ass turbo, built motor. That's insane, boys. Garam hoga na? Yeah. It's quite hot. Oh shit. Which buttons do you have? Nitrous? This is nitrous.
Nitrous.
And that's line lock. So you press this, car does a standing burnout. I think we're done with this one. Let's get down to the rules. What's the retail on one of those? चल रही है सही चल रही है गुड यार